Imagine an invisible giant in space, locked in an eternal dance. Its gravity pulls in everything around them, even light itself. But what happens when two of this cosmic monster collide? Stick around, because this is one of the most mind-blowing events in the universe. Black holes form when massive stars reach the end of their life cycle. They collapse under their own gravity, creating a dense point called a singularity. These objects are the ultimate space enigmas, and when two of them meet, the universe itself shudders. When black holes collide, it's not a chance meeting. Over millions of years, their immense gravitational pull draws them closer and closer, spinning faster as they near each other. This cosmic waltz ends in a spectacular merger. While these collisions are rare, astronomers have been able to detect several using advanced instruments, and the result? A cataclysmic release of energy that shakes the very fabric of space itself. This energy is released as gravitational waves, ripples in space-time, first predicted by Einstein over a century ago. These waves are so faint, they're only detectable with highly sensitive tools like LIGO and Virgo. But when we catch them, they reveal the secrets of these dramatic events. The energy released is unimaginable, equivalent to several suns being converted directly into energy. The result? A new, even larger black hole with a mass greater than the sum of its parts. After the merger, the new black hole continues to dominate its surroundings, pulling in gas, stars, and any matter that dares to come too close. The surrounding space is left scarred but eerily calm, a testament to the power of the collision. Black hole collisions are rare, but they teach us about the universe's most extreme environments. They confirm Einstein's theories, help us understand space-time, and show us just how dynamic our universe truly is. So, what do you think? Are black holes terrifying or fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're curious about more mysteries of space, hit like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic journeys. Until next time, keep looking up.